already, so I know that I look atrocious right now. But I wasn't expecting to make a video and only have like 5 minutes because we are about to get a new table delivered to us. So, but I got my my fetal doppler in the mail and like half an hour ago, and so I need to open this and I wanted to get it on film. So I took it out of the paper and this is what it looks like. This is the gel, so I'll probably have to get some aloe vera gel. This is just the receipt. And here it is. This is what it looks like. So let's open this up. I've been waiting for this, which seems like forever, but it really hasn't been that long. So I'm now 6 weeks pregnant. Just some stuff. I have been, oh my god. This is so exciting. Okay, so here's the actual Doppler. This was $35 on eBay. I'm a little tired. And then here is the charging cord. So it came in this thingy. And then in the bottom of the box, there is instructions. So I'm pretty sure I know how to use it, but yeah, so I'm assuming I'm going to have to charge it first. But yay! Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so this goes in here. Like this. Oh! I turned it on. Like, so makes noises. I should probably read the instructions. But I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this for a while. I think it's like a cheaper one, but I'm just trying to see. I don't know. But yeah, I've been waiting for it. Some people find it at 7 weeks, and I'm almost there. I have about 5 days to go, but I'm still gonna try tonight because, well, I just have to. But you know, I'm super pumped to try it. I'm not expecting to find it right away, but I think it's a bit nicer when you're at home because you can actually like try it. You actually can take time. You can look at different spots. Whereas at the doctor's office, they only have like a few minutes and they're kind of looking, they're like, okay, I can't find it and we'll try it next week kind of thing. So this is super exciting and I am very, very excited. Super pumped. Wish I had this with my other 2 pregnancies. I think it would have gave me a lot, like a more peace of mind. The reason why I got this time was because I pretty much ordered it as soon as I found out I was pregnant because I was like, I need to hear the heartbeat because with my last pregnancy, I never did hear the heartbeat and the baby died at like 7 weeks and I didn't know about it until about 13, but that's a whole other video on my channel if you want to check that out. So this time I was like, I need this Doppler, so that's why I ordered it. So I'm hoping that it works, hoping that I find the heartbeat right away, and yeah, that would be nice. So, yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, I'm 6 weeks now, and I've been feeling very, 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 very tired. Which kind of sucks when you have, you know, a little one, because I'm really tired. I take advantage of every nap time I can get, and I'm hoping it passes in the 2nd trimester. I did for him. I was very tired with him the 1st trimester, and then it kind of passed, so kind of hoping that will happen this time. Also, I've been craving salads and chicken, which I kind of did for him as well at the beginning. I can't, like, but for this time around though, like if I eat anything other than a salad or chicken, it kind of makes me feel nauseous, like, and sick. Like, I'm just like, no, it has to be chicken or it has to be salad. Like, you can't give me you know, cereal, I tried that, or oatmeal, or fruit. No, it has to be salad or chicken. So that's a bit weird. It's been like that for about a week now. So I currently have chicken breasts in the oven. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm so excited to use this. So I will be recording every time I do it and hope that I can get it on camera, and that will be my next video. Will be me finding the heartbeat and all that fun stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I will be back soon. Bye.